Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Simplified, and today we'll see a new video on C Sharp. So today's topic is that how we can execute a function in debug mode, right? So for a ID we are using the Visual Studio, and why we want to run our application in debug mode. Let's say if I'm getting some errors and if I want to execute or if I want to run the lines one by one, so that I know that where it is failing actually, right? So whenever we are debugging, whenever we are basically evaluating the things, so in this case we want to run our code in debug mode. So it's very important that we know that how we can run our code in debug mode. So let's say if I have this application, I have this console application, and then to start the point in debug mode, you need to add the debug points, or you need to add the breakpoints. So here basically we have added a breakpoint. It means whenever we'll execute the function in debug mode, it will whenever it will hit this main mode, because this will come here, and then it will basically hit this code, and here it will stay, and then one by one we can execute the lines. So what happens again, if you see that here basically we have a debug, go in the debug mode, and if you see here that if I want to start the debugging, so you need to just press the F5, and if I want to start the without debugging, so we add Control F5, right? So if I want to start in debug mode, so just press F5 and that's it. Similarly, even if you click from here, it will basically start in debug mode. So just click on this one, and then you can see that it has basically hit the breakpoint here. Now whenever I will keep on executing that you can see basically that how it is happening. Again, if I want to add some item to watch, so you can add, like let's say if I want to check the state, that what is this variable here, so you can see right now my state variable is 0. Now to execute further, so this is basically a step over. It's step over means it will execute this complete line. So just click on this one, or F10 we can press. So now you can see that state has been assigned with 5 value, right? Now state is 5. Again, to execute the further line, again cross the F10 or click on this one. Now you can see the state has been changed to 10, right? And now my next statement is to print the state. So just click on this one, and that's it. And now you can see here that it has basically printed this 10, right? And after that you can, because there is no such more important statement, so now we can continue. So you can see that now it is done, right? So this is how basically we can execute any program in debug mode in Visual Studio, right? So that's all about this video. I know this was kind of not related to the concept of C Sharp, but I took it because it is very important that we know that how we can run our code in debug mode, right? So thanks for watching it, and in case if you have any doubts, please write in our comment section. I will try to explain that. And please subscribe to our channel if you want to have more information like this. Thank you.